Capital One shopping app full walkthrough. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore Capital One shopping app. So after opening up this app, this is how it will appear. On the home page, you can see your personalized deals and you can just simply check out these deals by clicking on them. And in case if you want to book for the hotels, just simply select the option of hotels at the bottom. And here you can type in the location where you want the hotels or check-in date and check-out date and all the other details. After that, just simply click on this option of get offers. After that, you will see a list of different offers and you can select any of the offer and avail it. This is how simple it is to find the hotels and book them on Capital One shopping app. And in case if you want to search for different products using different categories, then just simply click on this option of search at the bottom. And here you can find different categories. Just select any of the category where you want to purchase something. Suppose I want to purchase something on the category of electronics and hardware. I will just simply click on it. Then wait for it to load. Here you can find various coupons. Just select any of the coupon according to the product that you are looking for. Suppose I want to go with the GoPro. I will just simply click on this particular coupon. Then here you can see the details of this particular coupon, where it will be available and where it is not available. So you can just simply activate it and shop it for the item that you are looking for. After you click on activate, this is how it will appear. And here all you have to do is just purchase the items the way you do usually. And after that, at the end, your rewards will be activated on its own. So just simply click on this option of let's go, and here you can check out different products and purchase them. And this way you would be able to save some money using the coupon that we just used. In the similar way, you can select other coupons as well. And this is how Capital One shopping app works. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.